Detective's Log, case number 091369, June 14th, 2023. There are only a few hunts that have nearly broken me, fewer still that have kept me up at night in a cold fever. But none haunt my dreams like the massacre at PTC. Horde of undead, group of teens missing, standard job. Posed as a private dick, all went swimmingly, especially with that group of Zed killers. At least, until that beast showed up. Damn cleaner went crazy. Turned out he started this whole curse over some vendetta with the teens about a certain pirate treasure. In the end, I thought we had enough firepower, but it turned out I was dead wrong.
You hear the screeching of an owl, you hear the wind begin to howl. You know there's zombies on the prowl, and it's terror time again. They've got you running through the night.
I got you.
It's terror time again, and you just might die of fright. It's a terrifying time. You hear the beating of your heart, you know the screaming's gonna start. Here comes the really scary part, 'cause it's terror time again. They've got you running through the night. It's terror time again. Oh, you just might die of fright. It's a terrifying time. All the trees begin to moan, and the monsters grunt and groan, rotting faces full of slime. Don't you know it's terror time?